In a world where creativity knows no bounds and imagination runs wild, there exists a place where discarded pallet would find new purpose and artistic look. So keep watching our YouTube channel for more videos. As someone who has always been drawn to the rustic charm and the creative possibilities of wooden decorative art and a pallet wood project, I find immense joy in crafting unique pieces that breathe life into a space and also reduce your carbon footprint. There is a certain magic in transforming discarded pallet wood into something beautiful and functional. Whether it's crafting a reclaimed wood coffee table, adorned with the intricate carving and fashioning the whimsical wall hanging from repurposed wood pallet. Each project holds a story waiting to be told. The tactile nature of woodworking with wood feeling its grain under the grains under my fingerprints and witnessing the transformation from a raw material to a finished masterpiece is a deeply satisfying experience. From a minimalist Scandinavian-inspired design to intricate bohemian patterns, the versatility of a wood decorative art allow me to express my creativity in an endless way. I relish the challenge to designing an exciting project that not only serve as eye-catching decor but also evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. With each socket and hammer strike, I immerse myself in a rhythmic dance of creation, challenging my passion for craftsmanship into a very details. Whether I am crafting a rustic wooden sign emblem with a hand-painted florals or constructing a multi-tiered pattern box for my garden, the process of working with wood fills my imagination and the innovation my spirit. Each project is a testament of a beauty of imperfection and the beautification, as note and the blemishes in the wood add a character and depth to the finished piece. As I continue to explore the boundless possibilities of wooden decorative art and the pallet wood project, I find myself inspired by the natural world around me, drawing upon its textures, colors, and a form of infuse my creation with a sense of organic beauty. In a world filled with mass-produced goods, there is something proudly and preferably satisfying about creating one-of-a-kind piece that reflect my personal style and ethos. Whether I'm gifting a handmade wooden sculpture to the beloved fan or admiring my own living space with custom-made furnishing, I take pride in a moving and knowing that each piece carries with it a beauty of my heart and the soul. Through our wooden decorative art and the pallet wood project, I find solace, inspiration, and the deep connection of both the material world and my own creative inspiration and the spirit. In my workshop, the air is thick with a scent of freshly cut wood and the promise of creativity. Surrounded by a stack of reclaimed pallet and an array of tools, I'm filled with anticipation as I embark on another woodworking adventure. There is a certain thrill in taking rough, weathered and the plank and envision of potential beauty within them. As I run my hand over the grain of each piece, I can't help but to feel a connection to the history and the characters. Each project to breathe a new life into these forgotten materials, transforming them into a stunning work of art, whether it's a crafting, a rustic wall hanging, or fashioning a bespoke piece of furniture. The possibilities are endless. Every saw cut, every nail hammered into a step closer to bring my vision to life. And I lost myself in the rhythm of creation. I know that each finished piece will tell a story of craftsmanship, discipline, passion, and the beauty of imperfection. In my workshop, the scent of sawdust and the warmth of creativity mingle in the air, creating an atmosphere of endless possibilities. Surrounded by the stack of weather pallet and an atmospheric of the tool, I find myself immersed in the art of woodworking. Each piece of reclaimed wood holds a unique story, and I am eager to unlock its potential. With every stroke of the saw and every stroke of the hammer and every tap of the hammer, I breathe life into these reclaimed wood and the materials, transform into something beautiful and meaningful, whether it's hand-carved sculpture or the intricate pattern and the design, wall hanging or a functional piece of furniture. Each project is testament of power and the imagination and the craftsmanship. As I lose myself in creative process, time seems to stand still, and the only thing that matters is bringing my vision to the fusion. And when the final piece complete, there is a sense of satisfaction and the word can't quite capture. A feeling of accomplishment knowing that I have turned ordinary wood, pallet wood into a work of art that will cheer of my year to come. As the day draws to close and the last rays of sunlight filter through the workshop window, I take a moment of admire the fruits of my labor, surrounding the beauty and the finished piece and the echoes of creativity that still linger in the years. I am filled with a sense of contentment and the pride. Each project tells its own story and the testaments of the dedication and the passion poured into a creation. As I prepare to leave the workshop, I carry with my renewed sense of purpose and the impression, eager to continue exploring the boundless possibilities of woodworking. Until next time, may the beauty of craftsmanship continue to brighten the world around us.